How to add WhatsApp chat button in Google Sites. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to add WhatsApp chat in Google Sites. So as you can see, currently there are no direct option to include WhatsApp chat option. So what we can do instead is just head over to Elfsight website, so which provides basically all of the widgets for your websites. So just head over to widgets and click on this WhatsApp chat, which is the most popular, and just click on this create widget for free, and you should be taken to the template page where you can easily reorganize the widget. As you can see, I've already created, so I'll simply show you once again. I'll click on this view widget, and here you can simply click on this edit, and this is the exactly page which you will be getting for the first time, where you will have to enter a phone number, and you can also customize your settings like pages, devices, or displays. And you can also head over to your notifications and change your appearances if you want. And once you're satisfied with everything, you can just tap on this install button over here, and you will be getting this embedded code. You simply copy it and just come over to this embed option in the Google site and head over to embed code and simply paste it over here and just select next, and you should see WhatsApp logo. Now simply click on insert, and just like that you should have successfully installed or inserted WhatsApp chat button in your Google site. And you can, once you click on publish, the site will be live and it should be easily visible to all the users. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.